Maybe I'm just haunted by thousands of hours of sitting there scrubbing through footage, one frame at a time, trying to find that one great moment from a 3-hour interview. Typing timestamps, opening professional editing software, nudging the playhead a pixel over, trimming, exporting, and then just doing it all over again. If you have ever made long-form videos and tried to turn them into snackable clips, you know the absolute pain of that manual grind. I used to be so old school and scarred from that tedious editing cycle, but I am honestly thrilled because there has been a real shift lately. AI is finally getting legitimately good at the stuff that used to eat all my time, and now I barely blink when a 2-hour stream finishes processing. It feels like magic because the best clips are already queued up for me, and I honestly keep asking myself where this has been all my creator life. Hi, I am here to talk to you today because if you are into making content like YouTube, long-form, podcasts, or live streams, this is for you. Think of this like a friendly chat over coffee because I love interviewing people, but I really do not love the manual editing work afterward. For years, I eked out short clips by hand, constantly trying to find ways to make my workflow faster and more efficient. I discovered a handful of apps that helped a bit with audio or transcription, but nothing solved the core problem of turning footage into social clips without babysitting a timeline. Enter Vizard, which helped me finally move past the need for manual, tedious editing processes. Now, before you roll your eyes at another AI magic pitch, I really want you to hear me out on this one. This isn't just a one-trick pony, as it quietly became one of the top 3 apps I use every single week for my content production. I still use specialized tools like Hijack for rock-solid audio capture or Whisper for the cleanest raw transcripts. I even use Otter.ai for live notes and quick searchable transcripts on my phone. But Vizard is the one that automates the entire clip creation playbook. Let me break down why I actually started using this tool daily, starting with that age-old problem of scrubbing for hours. You feed it a long video, whether it is an interview or a webinar, and it analyzes the whole thing to find the moments that actually matter. It identifies the laughs, the emotional beats, and the quotable lines that will stop people from scrolling past your content. It uses engagement signals and smart heuristics to pull out ready-to-post clips, and these are not just random 15-second slices. These are intelligent, context-aware clips, perfectly trimmed to land with a punch and formatted for every different social platform. The result is that instead of carving up an hour of footage for 20 clips in a day, Vizard gives me a stack of solid candidates in minutes. I can then tweak the trims, the captions, and the cover frames incredibly fast, which saves me huge amounts of time. That time savings translates into publishing far more consistently, which is the whole secret sauce for real sustainable growth. You might be wondering why not just use other tools, and I have tried a bunch of them for different parts of the process. Hijack is brilliant if you need to capture audio from anything on your Mac, and for audio-first creators, it is absolutely indispensable. But even though it records and transcribes, it is simply not built to comb through hours of video and highlight your top 20 viral moments. It records beautifully, but clipping and delivering content for multiple social media platforms is just not its specific job. Then there is Whisper, which gives high-fidelity transcription if you want verbatim text for subtitles. I used Whisper for a lot of my videos because it is great for accuracy, but it does not decide which moments will pop on TikTok or Reels. Otter.ai is fantastic for live transcription and note-taking, and I still use it when I am doing live events and need immediate searchable minutes. But its audio exports aren't always broadcast level, and you still have to manually pull things into a video editor to craft a final social clip. So while the other apps are useful, they feel like individual tools in a workshop, whereas Vizard is the whole machine. It auto-selects the viral parts by identifying emotional peaks and surprising statements that actually perform well with audiences. That means when I am feeling lazy or just really busy, the selections are already high quality and ready for me to approve. It also formats everything for different platforms like TikTok, Shorts, and Reels, so there is no more re-exporting the same video 5 times. The auto-scheduling and content calendar feature is the real secret productivity hack that keeps my feed reliably full. I used to manually upload clips on random days, but now my content is consistently reaching my audience on a set schedule. Consistency builds real momentum, and when you post every day versus every 2 weeks, the algorithm and your audience treat you differently. Recently, I uploaded a 2-hour interview, and within 10 minutes, I had 15 high-quality clips scheduled across 3 weeks. Engagement went up, views trickled into the long-form episode, and I didn't have to spend my entire life in professional editing software. Vizard isn't perfect, as no AI is, but it gets 80 to 90% of the job done, and that is enough for rapid iteration. You can absolutely keep using your other favorite tools in this workflow, keeping the ones that do specific things perfectly. Run Whisper in the background for your subtitles, use Otter for your live notes, and let Vizard do the heavy lifting for your clip distribution. I used to feel protective of the editing process like it was some kind of artisanal work, but automation actually amplified my creativity. Vizard saved me hours I would have spent chopping, and I used that time to actually make more stuff and book more interviews. If you are a creator who records long-form content and wants to build a steady stream of posts without selling your life to a timeline, check it out. It won't do everything perfectly, but it will do the boring, repetitive parts so you can stay in the fun zone of storytelling. Go make more long videos, let the AI do the heavy lifting, and start posting more often because you will thank yourself for the growth. If you are using some weird combo of tools already, I am super curious how you stitch them together to make your own workflow work. Tell me what is working for you and what is not in the comments, because we can always build a better, smarter workflow together. Take care, keep creating, and I will see you in the comment section.